Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. So first let's go to type tool, and for that you can press Ctrl T or you can just press here, and let's just click here and let's write luxury and hold Ctrl and double click to here to move the anchor point to the center. And then let's make a pre-compose and move this text to pre-compose, and make sure you clicked here and then click OK. Let's rename it to luxury, and let's double click to here and go there, and I have already imported this PNG, and let's move it to here, and let's change the scale like this, and let's change it to alpha matte luxury. Okay, nice. And go to our main composition. Let's see. Nice. And let's select this pre-compose and let's press Ctrl D to duplicate it, or you can do it from edit and duplicate. And then go to FX presets and let's search for CC particle world. And let's double click to it. And also let's right mouse here and go to composition settings and let's change the background color to black. And click OK and OK. And let's select this luxury tool and let's open these settings. And let's disable position, motion pass, grid and horizon and axis box. And also let's make our composition this much long, and let's press N. And then go to the first keyframe and let's make a burst rate and let's change it like that. Let's move it. Let's make it 25,000. Okay, and go to this keyframe and let's make it 0. And also let's change these settings and let's make it, we can maybe make 25, or maybe let's use it 40. And then let's open this producer and let's change these settings. Okay, let's change this one like this, and let's move it like that. Or maybe let's change it like this. Okay, this one is gonna be more better. And then let's open this physics. Let's make all of them to 0. And this one as well. And this one too. And then let's open this particle. And let's change the particle type. And from there, let's use the quad polygon. And let's make the depth side to 0. And size variation and max opacity, let's make both of them to 100. And let's change the color map and let's use the origin constant. Let's open this opacity map and let's move it like this, and this one to here. And now let's go to transfer mode and let's change it to screen. And to fix this, go to burst size and let's make it 0.02. And now go to FX presets again and let's search for simple choker. And let's hold it and let's use on this composition. Close this effects. Okay, and let's move this effect to the up. And let's change the choke matter. Let's keep it like this. Okay, we can see it's shining already. And now let's close this luxury tool and let's duplicate it again with Ctrl D. And let's open this CC particle world effect settings and let's remove this keyframe and let's change it to 15. And let's go to solo so we can see it. Also let's change this and let's make it 1 second. Okay, nice. Maybe let's change it like this so it will be more visible. And then let's open this particle and let's change the origin constant to burst to origin. And if we want to change our shining color, so we can do it from there. For example, we can use white or maybe dark yellow or anything you want. So I'm gonna use white and click OK. And let's change this like this, so it will be more visible. Let's see. Okay, nice. Also, let's go to FX presets again and let's search for glow, and let's double click to here to make it more shiny, and let's change the glow intensity, and let's make it 5, and glow radius, let's make it 7. Okay, I think this is enough. Now let's see here. Okay, I think it's a little bit so shiny, so let's go to this luxury C, and let's change this burst rate, let's maybe make it 25, and also let's change this second, let's make it maybe 10, let's make our composition 5 seconds, and let's right mouse here and trim comp to work area. Now let's see it. Okay, nice, it looks good. Also, if you want to change your text, just go to first composition and go there. Let's press Ctrl T or press here and let's change our text. For example, let's make it After Effects like this and go back to our composition. Okay, it's done. And we can move it to the center like this. And let's change our background as well. Or maybe use this color and click OK and then OK. Let's see it. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.